Convulsions are an intense paroxysmal involuntary muscular contraction. These can be at times the result of sudden abnormal electric activity of the brain. The body stiffens and breathing becomes irregular to begin with. A variety of symptoms are exhibited, such as the head and the eye turning to one side, twitching on one side of the face, foaming at the mouth, numbness, grimaces. But all these symptoms need not be present at all times. In children, convulsions come because of cerebral congestion. There is sudden onset. There is intense fever. The skin is hot. The face is red. The child jumps in sleep. Give belladonna 200 to get relief. In cases of frightful and violent contortions, where the curved limbs cannot be straightened nor straight ones bent, in the cases of children with cutting teeth or with worms, or because of a concussion of head or spine, Cicuta 200 is prescribed. CICUTA 200. In epileptic cases or in convulsions with cramps, in cholera, in whooping cough, in dysmenorrhea, in meningitis, in scarlatina, when there are cramps in calves, legs, in palms, when the epileptic aura begins at knee, when the lips become blue because of lack of oxygen. Cuprum Met, CUPMET 200 has been found to be useful. If the convulsions occur in all the muscles of the body with great violence, or in cases in menstruation, in labor pains, during sleep, or when cramps occur in toes and calves, use Hyoscyamus 200, a very effective remedy. Keep it ready by your bedside, and if you are getting cramps again and again, use it before sleep. Cramps in legs are very common. Most of us suffer from them, even while driving a car sometimes. A severe pain immobilizes the sufferer. The cramped muscles feels tied in knots. Immediate relief can be obtained by holding the toes and the upper part of the foot or the leg undergoing cramp and pulling it towards the body. Rub the affected part and apply a heating pad. Take a large liquid sip and eat a salty snack. And use Hyoscyamus or Cicuta, whichever is available. You would get relief. Thank you for listening to this video. Listen carefully and choose according to the symptoms as described. Thank you very much.